Looking for sheets that feel soft, last long, and fit your mattress just right? Superior's 1500 Series Microfiber Sheets promise all that and more. Crafted from 100% microfiber, these sheets are designed to give you a luxurious sleep experience without the hassle of high-maintenance fabrics. Imagine slipping into bed every night with sheets that stay smooth, resist stains, and keep their vibrant color wash after wash. What sets these sheets apart is their attention to detail. Each fiber is ultra-thin and tightly woven to create a strong yet silky fabric. Then, they're brushed to a subtle softness that feels gentle against your skin, perfect for those who crave that cozy, just right touch. The fitted sheet is built with durable elastic all around, ensuring a snug fit on mattresses from 6 to 18 inches thick. Whether you have a pillowtop or a luxury mattress, these sheets stay put all night long, no bunching or slipping. Plus, the deep 15-inch pocket means you won't struggle to make your bed every morning. Beyond comfort, these sheets are easy to care for. They're color-fast and machine-washable, so you can toss them in the wash without worry. Their natural wrinkle resistance means they come out of the dryer looking neat and fresh, saving you time and effort. No more ironing or dealing with crumpled sheets. Just tumble dry low, remove promptly, and your bed looks picture perfect every time. Customers who've tried these sheets rave about their softness and fit. One reviewer shared how they were initially skeptical because of the affordable price but ended up buying a second set after falling in love with the quality and comfort. These sheets truly deliver on their promise: softness that lasts and a fit that feels tailored to your bed. If you're ready to upgrade your bedding, the Superior 1500 Series sheet set is worth a look. It includes a flat sheet, 66 by 100, a fitted sheet, 38 by 80, and a pillowcase, 20 by 30, covering all the basics for a complete refresh. Pair them with Superior's coordinating duvet cover, bed skirt, and down alternative pillows to create a bedroom that's both stylish and inviting. That's what you get, a bed so comfortable, you won't want to get out of it. If that's you, someone who values comfort, durability, and easy care, give Superior's 1500 Series Microfiber Sheets a try when you're ready. They're designed to make your nights more restful and your mornings smoother. Experience the difference of sheets that combine quality and convenience without the premium price tag.